Hello everybody, this is another video in our maths trick series, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to calculate percentage in your head. Like let's say you have to calculate 25% of 1000. It's easy, you can calculate in head, but still if you have to calculate this, what should we do? So you can see that it is easy. So what I'm going to do is just give you the concept of 50% of a number, 10% of a number, and 5% of a number. Okay, so what these three numbers can have, like 50% is of a number is always half of the number. Okay, 50% of 1000 is 500, and 10% of a number is just put a decimal after one digit. So 10% of a number of 1000 is 100. Now 5% is the half of this number, so half of 100 is 50. Okay, so we just have to remember these three things. Okay, now we can see we will have to break this 25 in terms of these things. Like 25 is 10 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, so 10, then again 10, then 5. So 10 plus 10 plus 5, 10% of 1000 is 100. So 100 plus 100 plus 5% is 50. So 100, 200, 250. So the answer is 250. Okay, so this is as easy as that, and if you practice it, you can have a command in it. Okay, so let's take another example and some good examples. Okay, let's say we have to find 15% of a number which is, let's say, 426. What is it? Again, 15 can be divided into 10 plus 5. So 10% of 426 is 42.6, isn't it? And 5% of 426 is half of this, yani ki 26.3. Okay, this is it. So we just have to add these two numbers. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 68.9. This is the answer. Okay, so this is also a very easy trick, and of course easier than calculating all the percentage things. Okay, now again we will take another example of this. Let's say we have to calculate 60% of 725. How shall we do it? 60 can be divided into 50 plus 10. Okay, 50% is half of this number. Half of this number is 362.5. This is half of this number. 10% is just put a decimal after this, so we have to sum 72.5 to it. So 0 carry 1, 5, 13 carry 1, 4. So this is our answer, 435. Okay, easy. You can calculate it in your head itself. Okay, so now we'll have some questions, and you try to solve it by yourself by pausing the video. Okay, so let's say we have to calculate 20% of 530. Okay, then again you have to calculate 65% of 200. Okay, then again you have to calculate, let's say, 70% of 550. Okay, try to calculate it by yourself by pausing the video. Okay, I think you have done it. So let's try to find out what should be the answer. So 20 is basically 10 plus 10. So 10% of 530 is just put decimal here. 53. So 53 plus 53, which is I think 336 106. This is our answer. 65 is 50 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, now 50% of 200 is 100. 10% of 200 is, put a decimal here, 20. 5% of 200 is half of 20, which is 10. So the answer is 100, 120, 130. 130. Okay, easy. Again, 70% of 550. 70 is actually 50 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, so 50% of 550 is half of this number, which is 2, then 7, then 5. So this is half of 550. Now 10% is just 55. 55 plus 55. Now summing up 5, 5, 5, 15, carry 1, 5, 5, 7, which is 17, 18 carry 1, so 385. So this is our answer. Okay, this is as easy as this. So try it at home and get masters in it. Okay, so that's all for today, and of course thank you for watching this.